Alright, so I'm still making videos, but I'm looking at the Burning Godzilla, and I'm looking at the Godzilla from 93 and 98. Now, look at it very carefully. They're the same exact Godzilla with a slight feature from it. Alright, so I took off the cheesy little smoky things that's coming off his body because it's cheesy as hell. So this is the Burning Godzilla with all this kind of splendor and glory, and if you can see, he does have the red fins. That's what he looks like without of the smoky things. Wait for it. I'm trying to get this correct. This is the 93. This is the 98. Is there any difference? He's a little slimmed down. He's a little chubby. That's the only difference. But it's exactly the same Godzilla. Same dorsal fins, same length and tail. The only problem is that he's red dorsal fins and he's burning. He's supposed to be blue to red. It's the same identical one. Problem is, you can take the jaw off here and put the blue flame on there. This one doesn't have it because it has the smoke. Same one, different features. It's the same model. And I'm saying to myself, does these smoke things look really good on him for the 3D or 2D effects? I used to have an earring. Would that look kind of cool? Nah. Unless I have a baby hanging from it, maybe. But, and this pose a match up with the Oxygen Destroyer. I'll be right back. Again, this pose to be King Destroyer. Again, it's from Bandai, and it poses a tower over Godzilla, and it doesn't really do that. It's supposed to be this high above him, and right, but it still doesn't look right. This is the smaller one from the bigger one. Yeah. Too many destroyers.